Hello friends, welcome to Bhavya's Learning Planet. Today we are learning about a very interesting topic, that's antonyms, or we can say opposites. So this video would be very helpful for you, so much watch till end and let's begin. So antonyms. What are antonyms? Antonyms are the opposite of a word. I am repeating again. Antonyms are the opposite of a word. So, what are the few examples of antonym words? Yes, let's discuss it. Let's discuss it and move to our next. Examples of antonyms. So first is clean. Clean, and clean's opposite is dirty. Boy's opposite is girl. I'm repeating again. Boy's opposite is girl. Boy's opposite is girl. Adult's opposite is child. I'm repeating again. Adult's opposite is child. Next is left's opposite is right. Note, I am not saying to the word that is used for writing on the paper. I am saying the right side. So I am repeating again, left's opposite is right. Next, near's opposite is far. I am repeating again, near's opposite is far. Next is full's opposite is empty. I am repeating again. Full's opposite is empty. Opposite of stand is sit. I am repeating again. Opposite of stand is sit. Next is queen's opposite is king. Queen's opposite is king. I am repeating again. King's opposite is king. Next, bald opposite is hairy. Bald means the person who has no hairs on his head. Next is weak. Weak's opposite is strong. I am repeating again. Weak's opposite is strong. Next is alone's opposite is together. I'm repeating again. Alone's opposite is together. Alone's opposite is together. Next is hot, suppose it is cold. I am repeating again. Hot, suppose it is cold. Hot, suppose it is cold. Rich, suppose it is poor. I am repeating again. Rich, poor. Rich, suppose it is poor. Rich, opposite is poor. Sweet, suppose it is sour. I'm repeating again. Sweet, suppose it is sour. Example of sweet is ice cream, and sour example is lemon. I'm repeating again. Agree, disagree. Agrees opposite is disagree. Agrees opposite is disagree. Agree, disagree. Next is dry. Dry's opposite is wet. Danger, safety. Danger, opposite is safety. Sales opposite is buy. I'm repeating again. Sales opposite is buy. The person sells and we buy the things. Next is good, opposite is bad. In the image it shows that the child is planting a tree, and in the other image it is destroying the tree. So that's bad, and the planting image is good. So next image tells us cry, and the other image tells us laugh. So the opposite of cry is laugh. Up, down. Up's opposite is down, and down's opposite is also up. We can say in both ways. Next is dull. Dull's opposite is bright. Dull's opposite is bright. I am repeating again. Dull's opposite is bright. Next is front. Front's opposite is back. I am repeating again. Front's opposite is back. Front's opposite is back. Next is invisible, visible. In the image of invisible, it shows that we can't see the girl. Invisible, we can see the girl. Next, young. Young's opposite is old. In the image of young, the baby is very, very small and young. Beside the young image, it is old's image that shows the person is very, very old. Next, quiet. Quiet's opposite is loud. The girl is quiet, the boy is loud. Next is out. Out's opposite is in. Out's opposite is in. In's opposite is out. You can say in both ways. Next is long. Long's opposite is short. I'm repeating again. Long's opposite is short. I'm repeating again. Long's opposite is short. In the image it shows that the monkey has a very long stem. Next is asleep. Asleep's awake. In the image of asleep it shows that the girl is sleeping, and in the next image it shows that the girl is awake. She is woke up. Next is outside, inside. This is similar to out and in. Next is deep. Deep's opposite is shallow. Deep's opposite is shallow. I'm repeating again. Deep's opposite is shallow. Push opposite is pull. In the image it shows that the person is pushing the door, and in the other image it is showing that the person is pulling the door. Next is angry. Angry's opposite is calm. In the image of angry, it shows that the girl is very, very angry, and the other image shows that the girl is very quiet and she is calm. She is good girl. Next is attack. Attack's opposite is defend. Attack's opposite is defend. I'm repeating again. Attack's opposite is defend. Defense opposite is attack. Defense opposite is attack. You can say in both ways. Next is teach. Teach's opposite is pupil. The teacher teaches and the student learns. Next is wide, narrow. Wide's opposite is narrow. Wide's opposite is narrow. I have repeated again. Next is healthy. Healthy's opposite is sick. I'm repeating again. Healthy's opposite is sick. Healthy's opposite is sick. Sick opposite is healthy. You can say in both ways. Beautiful's opposite is ugly. Beautiful's opposite is ugly. Ugly's opposite is beautiful. You can say in both ways. So next is fast opposite is slow. Fast opposite is slow. The rabbit is fast but the snail is slow. I'm repeating again. Fast opposite is slow, but we can also say in this way, slow's opposite is fast. Next is big's opposite is small. The elephant is big but the mouse is small. I'm repeating again. Elephant is big and mouse is small. Big's opposite is small. You can say in both ways. Next is fat. Fat's opposite is thin. You can say as thin. Thin's opposite is fat. You can say in both ways. Next is above. Above's opposite is below. Above's opposite is below. You can say as below's opposite is above. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Comment too. Okay? Thank you. But don't see the images. Just learn the words.